Hi, so I was thinking we could start with you telling me a little bit about yourself and what you do at Suburban.
Of course. My name is Tara, and I'm the marketing manager for Suburban Manufacturing Group. So I have the opportunity to work alongside the sales team, the product managers, Protocol 80, as well as a few other kind of vendors to make all of our marketing magic happen.
That's awesome. We love working with you, and it's great to see you as always. Do you mind giving us an overview of how Suburban helps your customers?
Sure. So we have this theme across our company that all of our products somehow unlock fluid power, kind of help with the nuances of running a business. And that includes like our lube minder, automatic oiling and grease systems, our tsunami compressed air solutions, and our Python protective sleeving and covers. Everything we do, it like protects, it lubricates, it cleans, it dries. It kind of just helps our customers do what they do best so they can focus on their profits and their product, and we can be supporting their processes.
Awesome. Do you mind giving us a glimpse at what you're most excited for in 2023?
We have some new products coming up for all of our product lines. Our product managers, a few years ago, we kind of took on like the product management model with how we run our sales and marketing. And so now we have people dedicated, including myself, to finding new products that exist that we can take on. And so we have some exciting stuff coming up this year that will unlock some new industries for us and some new opportunities.
Are there any that you're comfortable teasing for us?
Let's just say when you go paint your car at the automotive shop, there is a paint booth where they paint your car. Now you need dry air for the paint to set correctly. We have a new product coming out that will help with that process in the paint booth. So next time you go in, you bring your car into any sort of shop, just know that all of that air that's being used, whether it's painting, whether it's putting the tires back on, it all needs dry air, and we have a product coming out for it.
That is so exciting. Well, thank you so much, Tara, for taking some of your time so that we could get to know you.
Of course, thank you. Likewise.
Awesome.